Number 8. The OXO SteeL Can Opener is a versatile and durable kitchen tool that makes opening cans a breeze. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this can opener is built to last and features a sleek silver finish that complements any kitchen decor. The manual operation mode allows for precise control, making it easy to open cans of all sizes. Measuring at 3.88 inches in width and 7.75 inches in height, with an item weight of 9.6 ounces, this can opener is designed to be user-friendly and convenient to store. Its unisex design and easy assembly make it suitable for all users, and its compact size allows for seamless storage in any kitchen space. The OXO SteeL Can Opener has received widespread praise, with a 4.8 out of 5-star rating from 4,916 customer reviews. Its popularity is evident from its impressive bestsellers rank, coming in at #23 in manual can openers and #5, 424 in kitchen and dining. Furthermore, the manufacturer, OXO, offers a satisfaction guaranteed warranty,